Here's the easy way to integrate the Webflow CMS with Airtable, including true two-way sync. First, let me show you what this looks like in action, and then I'll go step by step about how you can set this up yourself. In this example, I've got a list of team members in my Webflow CMS, and it's already syncing with my Airtable over here. Because this is a two-way sync, when I add a new one, let's say Paul Graham, I can go ahead and drag in an image here and pop this into Airtable. Whalesync will sync this from Airtable into Webflow in about 10 seconds. Once I make that change, I can come over to Webflow, hit refresh, and as Webflow refreshes, it will show us the updated version with our new Paul Graham record right here. And because this is two-way synced, I can make updates in Webflow like this and save those and publish them, and those will sync back over to Airtable again in another 10 seconds or so. All of this is possible because we're using Whalesync, and we don't need to do things like manual exporting, CSVs, or setting up complicated Zaps. So in the next minute or two, I'm going to show you how you can set this up yourself, all super simple, all really easy, and all no code. What I'm using to integrate Webflow and Airtable is something called Whalesync. And here you can see there are essentially 4 steps. First, we connect Webflow and Airtable, and from there we do what's called adding table mappings. So what we're going to do is grab the name of the table or collection in Webflow, in this case team members, and then map it to the table we want to sync it with in Airtable. Now, in our example, if we already had a table in Airtable, we could connect it to that. Here, I'm going to go one step further and literally create a brand new table based on this collection in Webflow. So here, I've chosen to create a new table. It's going to look at what's in the team members collection in Webflow, find all of those fields, and create them in my Airtable. So you can see this creating the table over there. And now we can view table mappings. So here, what's happened is Whalesync has literally automatically created a table for us called team members that matches with the collection we have in Webflow, all done for me automatically. From here, Whalesync will let us map each of the fields together. So you might have noticed there's a field for the avatar, there's a field for the bio. All of this is just mapping and telling Whalesync, I would like these fields in Webflow to sync with these fields in Airtable. From here, we can also do powerful things like adding filters. So if we only wanted to sync certain records from Webflow to Airtable or vice versa, we can add conditions here. We can also do things like adding additional table mappings to bring in fields like reference fields or multi-reference fields in Webflow, or what Airtable is known as linked records. But as soon as we're done with table mapping, we're going to simply hit save and exit. And now we can prepare an initial sync. So Whalesync will first scan your data to get started and see what it can find. So in this example, it's going to find 7 team member records in our Webflow. That looks good. Next, we can match up existing records. In our example, again, in Airtable, we don't have any yet, and so we can skip this step and move forward. Before turning Whalesync on, it will show you a preview of what it's going to do. In this case, it's just going to add those 7 team members into Airtable, so this looks good as well. From there, we can activate our sync, and syncing will start almost instantly. So here, we can pop back over to Airtable and see the data filling in like that. No complicated Zaps, no importing and exporting. It's literally just populating our table right here. Now, as soon as our sync is done with the initial sync, we can hit continue. We'll get this nice little animation. And now we have this just running continuously. So like we showed in the beginning, any updates in Airtable sync instantly to Webflow and vice versa. And that's really it. That's how you set up a two-way sync between Webflow and Airtable the easy way. You don't have to deal with any of the pains of complex Zaps. Ultimately, this is super powerful because Airtable becomes your CMS for Webflow. So you can do things like creating thousands of programmatic SEO pages, running a blog, and much, much more. In the show notes, we'll leave a bunch of guides for how to do all this powerful stuff. But if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll get back to you there as well.